In the previous tutorial, we learned how to use the 2D aggregation from the Parametric plugin. In this short lesson, I want to show you a technique which you can select a face. For example, in Rhino, I want this face to be selected. And as you can see here, it's going to select all of those faces in the same direction. So we're going to talk about some vector techniques we're going to use. As you can see here, if I extend the aggregation, it's always going to select the face which the normal direction is the same as we have selected. So for example, if I go here and select this one, it's going to select all of those faces, and at the end we can dispatch them into two set of groups. Simply use that in our algorithm. So for example, as you can see here, these faces can be used separately for maybe a window division, and the second set can be used to maybe just like a flat simple facade. Okay, let's get started and learn this technique.